Hello, welcome to this new video. In this video, I will show you how to use keywords everywhere. Everyone is looking for keywords when they are creating websites, when they are creating content. What do you need? You need a right keyword so that you can be on the top. I will show you how to use keywords anywhere extension. You need to have Chrome and go to keywords everywhere.com and click on install for Chrome. Once you do that, you can click Add to Chrome, add extension. It will install the extension. Once that is done, the next step is to pin the extension. Click on this icon, pin it to the toolbar on top. The next thing is to get the API key. Click on Get API key. Use the email address, agree to the terms of service, and email. You will get the API key by email. Let's go ahead and check the email. Your API key is here. You need to copy the API key. Click here and it will take you to the website. You can copy the API key and you can click on the key icon now. Once that is done, you're set. You can click on settings and paste the API key. You can validate it now. And now it says the API key has been validated. Select the country of your choice. Currency is INR, Indian rupees for me. And you can there are a lot of settings for this particular tool that I won't explain at the moment, which is beyond the scope of this video. So now that we have keywords everywhere extension installed, the next thing is to check if it works. So here you get bulk keyword data, you get organic rankings, you get to analyze page HTML content, organic keyword domain, analyze page DOM content, bulk graphic metrics, bulk trend data, bulk graphic metrics, competitor gap, competitor gap again, and your favorite keywords. Now, what you can do is you can go ahead and open Google, for instance. Let me show you what this does. Some extensions like keyword everywhere put the data over here. Do you see on the right hand side? It gives you the trending keywords. These are the trending keywords when it comes to Google. These particular blocks are giving you the keywords that are trending right now. You can see up to 20 and related keywords are Google Chrome and all these are related keywords. Long tail keywords are used for your particular day-to-day work. So this is a feature offered by the Keywords Everywhere. Suppose you wanted to create a video for WordPress. You would just type WordPress and hit enter. What that does is it loads the keywords again. It will tell the difficulty score. Click on the X mark here so that you get rid of that premium block. They also offer you premium features. The long tail words, keywords for WordPress India. You can click on this and it will, as you can see, it is a paid feature which is not available for us. As keyword difficulty is how hard it is to rank for this keyword. It is not a brand query. On-page difficulty is 40 out of 100. Always aim to about 25 to 40 so that you get to rank on this. Off-page is 88, which is very hard to rank. So what you do then is you can look at the trending keywords for WordPress. For instance, SNL PC WordPress is a keyword. This particular keyword is pointing to a website, which is Sri Naranji Bhai Lal Bagh Patel College's website. So that is a WordPress website. So they rank higher on for this keyword. So what you could do is you could create videos for these. For instance, let me see. Related keywords are WordPress tutorial, WordPress blog, WordPress free, and all these things. Long tail keywords could be these. So that is how you get to know the keywords and keyword difficulty using these. There are other features as well that you can explore. For example, you can copy these keywords, right? You could copy these and you could go over here. There is a copy feature. You don't have to manually copy. You just copy these. You go to the extension and click on bulk keyword, but that is not possible. So some features are paid over here. The only free feature that you get is this that you see on the right hand side. You can check for rankability serve. If you click on ChatGPT, it will take you to the ChatGPT and it will paste the prompt. And what this does is it gives you these things. As you can see, you get the data very quickly when it comes to the keywords. Using ChatGPT and keyword research, using keywords everywhere, you can build a lot of things. All the best and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you.